Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn blood grouping in our animal tissues lesson 9th class. Okay, now our student Navadeep is going to read this lab activities and I will show the equipment and the procedure. Okay, now we start.
To determine the blood group of an individual using a slide to test with monoclonal antibodies.
See now, these are called monoclonal antibodies. Monoclonal antibodies. Anti A, anti B, and anti D. Next bit.
Material required lancets.
This is called lancets, which is sterile in nature. We have to use single use only. If you use for one person, we have to dispose in the dustbin. Should not use for second person. Next.
Alcohol swabs.
This is called spirit or alcohol. Okay, when you make this cotton bowl, no, if you keep in this like this is called alcohol swab. Next.
Toothpicks.
Toothpicks. In toothpicks place we can use as a plastic pipes also we can use to mix the thoroughly. Next.
Clean glass slide with tile.
This is called glass slide. Here we have 8 wells. Then we can use only 3 here. See, very closely you can observe slide. Actually it is available only in the laboratories. For our easy purpose I have brought from outside. Okay, if we use this there is no mixing in side by side, then we can individually find out the result very clearly. Next.
Biohazard disposal container.
This we can use it as a dustbin. Next. Whatever things you use like what we can say, this lancets or slide or any alcohol, no, we have to throw in the dustbin. We are not supposed to throw anywhere in the classroom because that is a very dangerous. Next.
Monoclonal antibodies. Anti-A, anti-B, anti-D.
These are called monoclonal antibodies. So before using, we have to use its expiry date also very important. You can observe very clearly. See 5/2027. Once you open, no, after opening we have to preserve in the refrigerator only. Then it will be useful for next time. Next.
Introduction. Blood grouping is the process of categorizing blood into two different groups based on the presence or absence of specific antigens A, B and RH on the surface of red blood cells. Principle. Theory law. The blood grouping experiment uses two biological principles, antigen-antibody interaction and agglutination reaction. Antigens A, B or RH or D on red blood cells determine blood groups. When these interact with corresponding antibodies, an agglutination reaction occurs indicating the presence of the antigen. Agglutination causes cells to clump together indicating the presence of the antigens. Observing agglutination mixtures helps in determining blood group and the RH factor. Precautions. Wear personal protective equipment PPE such as a gloves and masks. 2. Use sterile and disposable equipment for safety and hygiene.
Disposable means once you use this lancet needle, you have to throw in the dustbin. Should not use for second person. Next.
Handle blood samples carefully to prevent
Contamination. Use only correct
labeled
reagents. See, correct labeled reagents we are using. Next, turn here. Procedure.
A preparation and sampling. Set up the work area with all required materials.
See, we required see lancets, then cotton, then see alcohol, see monoclonal antibodies, anti-A, anti-B and anti-D. Next.
Open the alcohol swab and
this is called
see
opening and cleaning the this is slide. Next. So why should we use this? Why we have to clean this with alcohol swab? If there are any microorganisms, we may not get accurate results. So that we have to clean this slide before using with the alcohol swab or spirit. Okay na? then we have to throw in the dustbin. Next,
Use the lancet to prick the fingertip to
wait.
obtain
See, now we have to take alcohol swab. Okay, cotton which picked in the alcohol swab. See, we have to take one girl. See, we have to use left hand ring finger only. Okay, left hand ring finger. Why should we use this alcohol swab? Is there any microorganisms? Then we have to use this alcohol swab. Then hold it. Then now I am taking lancet needle. See, you can see single use only. So we have to turn like this very slowly. Then we have to throw in the dustbin. Next, see, this is the cleaned slide. Then I am taking, see, like this. Okay. See, keep one drop, keep there. One drop, prick, press it. Middle of the liquid. Then, so we used this, what we can lancet, no? We are not supposed to use for next boy or girl. Then close it with the alcohol. See, immediately we have to close with that area with the alcohol. Then keep like this. Yes, for some time. Then, now we need to take monoclonal antibodies A. Then, so read.
Place the 3 separate drops of blood on the glass slide or white tiles spaced apart.
Okay, now wait now. Next anti-A. Then what we have to keep?
Anti-B.
Anti-B. Next what is last one? Anti-D. Then now we have to wait for some time. Then we have to use, see, we have to mix like this also. Okay. Then see, keep here very closely. You have to take one tooth, pick like structure. See, we have to mix it thoroughly. Can we use again for next?
No, sir.
No, we have to use in the another edge, another side, another edge or another side we have to use. Then see. Is there any change in that? Is there any clumping?
No.
Any clumping?
No, sir.
So what might be? Then see, observe very closely. Okay, is there any clumping in anti-A, anti-B? Is there any clumping? Is there any clumping? Any clumping? No. C. Is there any clumping?
No.
A? No. B? No. So that what is the final? O. So we have to find out whether it is positive or
Negative.
Now show me positive or negative. Is there any clumping? No. So
O positive.
Siri. Okay. Siri, the girl. Okay. Blood group is O negative. Clear? Okay. Thank you.